I would have found my way off that conveyor belt.
Fellas.
What? I saved your life!
Listen.
Should have been doing your job.
Oh, you're welcome, man. Welcome, man.
Shut up and turn around, please!
It looks like Godzilla, but due to international copyright laws, it's not.
Still, we should run like it is Godzilla!
Though it isn't.
There's Goldmember. Breaker, 1-9er, this is Goldie Wang. All right.
Chant 4 there, Goldie Wang. This is Rubber Ducky. What's your chant 20, over?
I've got Preparation H in my rear and Smokey the Bear in my back door. We got Russia convoy, over.
Yeehaw! Copy that, you some bitch pile of monkey. Copy that, you some bitch pile of monkey nuts.
Open wide there, Rubber Ducky. I am entering your mouth now, over.